Good morning student. Today we are going to start our new chapter of history, class 9, French Revolution. Today our topic is French society during the late 18th century. In France, despotic rule of Louis XVI. In 1774, Louis XVI had become the king of France and he belongs to Bourbon family. When he had become the king, he found an empty treasury. There were so many reasons of empty treasury. These reasons are: long years of war drained financial resources of France. First reason was long years of wars drained financial resources of France. Second, war added more than billion livres, which rose to 2 billion livres. Livre यानी French currency during the 18th century. French government had taken by loans from the money lenders, so the lenders now charge 10% interest on loan. France government spent more on interest payment, so it was main reason of empty treasury. Fourth is it is regular expense such as cost of maintaining an army, court, government offices or universities. Heavy amounts are spent on these things. French society was divided into three states. In 18th century, France society was divided into three states. Only member of third state paid taxes. First states, French society divided into third states. First states, second states and third states. The first states includes clergy, second state nobility, and third states includes businessmen, merchants, lawyers. Second में peasants, teachers, and third landless labor and servants. Only third states had paid taxes. First and second states had not paid any taxes. They enjoy luxury life and privileges by birth. French society was divided into three states: first state, second state, and third state. Only third state had paid taxes. In French society, there were many taxes which are only paid by third state. Tithe and tile were two most important tax in French society. Tithe was a religious tax which was levied by the church from the peasants. All members of the third states had to pay taxes. And second, tithe was a direct tax. Tithe was a religious tax which was taken by church from the peasants, and tithe was a direct tax. Tithe was a direct tax. Only third states members paid these taxes. There were so many indirect taxes which was paid by the third states. The burden financial activities, all the burden financial activities on the third state members. Third state members like small peasants, servants, landless laborers lived in a miserable condition. They were struggled to survive in French society because rising prices increased the population and increased demand for food grains. They were lived in a miserable condition. In other sides, first and second states members lived a luxury life, lived very luxury life. They were enjoyed privileges by birth, so that in 18th century the French society was in very bad condition.